Well, I finished my first week, and let's just say it wasn't the best I could do. You can keep talking, just recognizing about that. First, let's talk about what my first week was. I talked in my last video that I'm doing the 75 soft to kind of help me get back in shape, get back healthy, all that fun stuff, right? So I have my own version of the 75 soft. So my version is I do the 30 minutes of either walking every day or some form of exercise. I read a book for fun. No self-help, no make myself better, just pure get my imagination flowing, just for fun fiction book. I eat healthy, like I meal prep my lunches, I eat healthy for lunch, and I try not to eat out every day, because with the way that my life is set up right now, eating out every day is just like a habit. So that's the thing. Oh, and I fill up my water bottle twice. Like I have to drink it, fill it up twice, like drink it, because that's, I think my water bottle 2 times is like 8 ounces of water. So I figure that is a good start for somebody who barely drinks one. Did I do them? Kind of. So I did do them, but just not consistently. So what would happen is I would get up and I would walk at least like 15 minutes before I go to work, 15 minutes when I come back. But I don't know if it counts because I was technically walking the dogs, but it's still walking, so I guess it's some form of exercise. And then I did really try meal prepping like my lunch and like dinner, and I did really good the first couple of days. But then I don't know if it's my work schedule or the work that I do. A lot of times I come home and I'm so tired, I'm so emotionally drained and like mentally drained that I don't want to cook. I don't even want to warm up. I just want to grab something on the way home. I think a lot of it has to do with my job. Like, I think my job is overstimulating, if that's the right term. It's just, I work customer service call center, and I'm already like kind of an empath, if you want to say, call me that, but I'm very, very like emotional, and dealing with all of that all day is very, very draining for me, on top of the metrics that I have to keep up. And it's for me, it's a very draining and stressful job. And I think because of that, it's really hard for me to be consistent with things like working out and eating well, because I just be so out of it by the time I get off. And I work 10 hours. I do a 4-10. So one thing I did do really well is I stayed on top of my breakfast. Like, I was cooking myself breakfast every day. It was the same thing every day, but I was cooking myself breakfast every single day. So I was on it for real, for real. So I'm proud of myself for that. That is an accomplishment to me. Now, as far as the reading, I did read, again, just not consistently. I read like probably 15 minutes every other day. The book is good. I think it's just me getting back into the habit of reading. This is the plan for the next week. I do want to have more home cooked meals, and I think the lunch really helped. It's just I need to bring snacks for work because I'm starving all the time. Even when I eat breakfast, I'm starving by lunchtime and I'm scarfing the food down. So I think I'm going to start getting snacks as well to take to work so that I have something in between time. I'm really going to try to, instead of cooking dinner every night, I'm going to shoot for 2 of my work nights. Because when I don't work, I cook. Like when I'm off, I cook. There's no, I'm cooking because I'm off. But 2 of them, I allot for fast food, and I'm going to try to make better choices in my fast food, because lately I've been obsessing over the strawberry cream pies at McDonald's and the strawberry cream pies at Popeyes. I have been like devouring those. So, and I think I'm also going to try to find a hobby so I can just kind of be comfortable with, if this is how my life is going to be moving forward, enjoying it. So those are the plans for next week. We will see if I actually do it. If you enjoyed me, if you enjoyed like my updates, if you want to see if I'm going to stay consistent, if you just want to watch something in the background while you're doing other things, you can like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.